Health begins in your gut. Your digestion is the most important aspect of health. Actually, maybe it's not. What about circulation? Circulation is the most important aspect of health. Wait a second. Is it really? What about your lymphatic system? Do you know how to help your lymphatic system? I didn't. That's why there was cancer in it. Did you know that the health of your feet determines the quality of your life? Oh my goodness, there's so many different things. Did you realize that your thoughts are what start before your feelings do? And it's your emotions that determine your actions? What are you doing? What are you doing to make your health better? What about your spiritual side? What do you believe in? Do you have the faith that those beliefs are actually true? Or are you afraid that there's some part of them that isn't actually true? The more we focus on our health, the easier it gets. All of those things are important. I don't know that there's one single thing that's more important than the others. They're all important. We live in these bodies and we have to take care of them. And if you're not taking care of them, then what? I think quality of life is vitally important. I want to be able to do the things I want to do, move the way I want to move. And to be able to do that, I have to take care of this body that I live in. Are you doing something to help yours? You don't have to get in the cold water like this. There's 3 Canadian geese over there, they're lost. Take care of your body, take care of your mind, take care of your emotions, take care of your spiritual side, set goals, and let's go for being the best version of ourselves in 2025, because life is good. I love you, bye.